Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add new members to your workspace board on the Trello application. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then select the workspace board that you would like to work with. Now tap on the button in the upper right corner of the screen. Then, as you can see in the members section, there is this invite button. So if you would like to add new members to your workspace board, just simply tap the button invite. And now you can search by name or by your workmate's email address, and then you can add them to your board. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.